is Marcaribe once again from the city of Shenzhen, China, and today we're gonna visit something very special. Perhaps some of you might not know how to say it, that Shenzhen has a jewelry market, and yeah, I wanted to, take you guys to this place.
Giving up your dreams to your city.
Wow, look at these guys. It's like super beautiful. This is inside a shopping mall. It's like heaven for us girls. Of course, a lot of diamonds, and a lot of beautiful things over here. The shops are decorated like really genuine, and this building is called the gold one, so there's a lot of gold. Oh my god, engagement diamonds like that one over there. Oh, we have a Luckin coffee, which is super popular right now in Shenzhen. I don't know if they want to overcome Starbucks, but it seems like they do. What is this, jade? Wow, there are some really amazing designs here of like benches. There is a lot of jade because Chinese like jade, and it can really get super expensive, and it looks really beautiful. So there inside there's more, and they are drinking tea. Wow, there is like such a beautiful thing over here. These brands, nice. A lot of rings, engagement rings. For you, the vest is for you. And this brand is for you. Let's see some of the stuff in here. Wow, can you see those engagement rings? They're like super big. So many carats in there. Statues made out of pure gold. Like this one over here. And they do this work like really amazing on the stone. Wow, how can they manage to get all those figures in there? There are more over here. Very impressive because they have these pots which are made out of like pure silver, 925. You see that? They even have some Chinese characters on them. I really like silver jewelry, so just in case you were wondering what to give me, because my birthday is coming very soon, you can give me some silver. I'm just kidding, guys, but just for the record. Boxes, and they can customize it for you as well, as well as some displayers like these ones, and so much more. The little bags over there to sell the stuff. Let's say this company is a China Gold, so they will print the logo as follow, China Gold, right? And you can either choose the color as well as, the size. In this case, there are 3 different sizes as well as shapes. This one will be for the ring, and I guess this one over here perhaps for, a bracelet, a necklace, and as well a bracelet or a necklace, depending on your taste. And this one, this color over here, it's super very alike to the Tiffany color, and I love it. I really like this color, light blue. There are so many different colors as well as designs. Look at this one, they have this little ribbon over here which makes it really special, and different kind of boxes. Let's open this box so for you guys to check it out, how it is inside. Yeah. This red with the ribbon over there as well is beautiful, and those 3 are like super beautiful. Look at this. As well, super elegant and very, they kind of have a oriental taste. Different from the normal boxes that we used to see. Oh, they have a light over there. That's really cool. I love these ones. Like whenever you open your box, there'll be a ring over there and will be some light. This is amazing, you know. I'm in love with these boxes now. And they are different colors as well, like purple and... Oh, can you see that? Whenever we open the box, the light will come out and the ring will be shining brightly as ever. So in any case you want to propose in a dark place, you know, you can always come with this kind of boxes. They're quite nice. I wasn't aware of these boxes. I mean, I'm not very into commitment, so I'm not very sure. I mean, I haven't engaged so far, so that's why. Look at these boxes, they're quite special, and the hard boxes, there are many different shapes. Whenever we open them, we find a surprise. Oh, this is quite hard to open. Oh, it's like this. Okay, so the ring will be... Of course, this is not compared to the one that has a light. These hard boxes, there are more simple ones, right? And of course will be cheaper because it's just a carton paper. Meet love with your own logo or picture, whatever it is that your company wants to print on them, you know. You just have to have the quantity. But we arrived to the one, this is the Tiffany box. Yeah, okay. So how does this work? I'm really, you know. So I've just opened this one, Tiffany, and it has its logo here, and you know, the box itself, it's just beautiful. So you can even buy Tiffany boxes in case you are wanting some Tiffany boxes. You can find them too in these kind of places. Oh, this is amazing. I want one Tiffany box, although there's not a Tiffany jewelry, but you know, just a rant. Here is really so popular, this jade jewelries, and they are quite expensive as well as super precious and beautiful. I wish somebody will ever give me one to me. Seriously, I could get myself lasting here for like days and days if I ever have a husband that wants to purchase from me whatever that I want. I will just, you know, but of course I wouldn't make him spend that much. Just enough will be good enough. Made out of pure jade, which is super beautiful and amazing. Wow, how can they carve all this? And behind us there is a lot of like jewelries. Check this out, guys. This is a special jewelry that you can put some perfume, so you can just take this necklace with you and put perfume anytime you need it, and it looks really beautiful. This set over here is perfume jewelry. Basically, they have this little box over here, little bottle of perfume, and you can just stock on perfume on it anytime you need to. They have different designs over here. This one is like so elegant. I've never seen such thing. This is my friend who made these designs in here, and they as well sell some perfumes and the little bottles and the set, the whole set there, made out of gold. This one is so nice, and they have this bottle which is kind of the bottle of Miss Dior Cherry, looks alike. They have as well these ones, and this little pink bottle over here, turquoise and jade, and a yellow one. There's a set here, perfume jewelry. with this pink one and gold. These colors are super nice. So you can put in there some drops and perfume yourself anytime you need to. This purple here is so nice. So shiny.
Everyone out there, happy dinner if you're enjoying a meal. Right now I came to my favorite vegan place in Shenzhen, which is WHOLESALE, and I'm gonna be showing you what is that I've ordered. I'm with my mother right now. We are enjoying a very nutritious meal after a long day of walking. So actually I really like this place, and hopefully you have tried it before if you're a vegan living in Shenzhen, and if you haven't, please do come and give it a try, as well as if you have already tried, leave your comments in the comment section if you enjoy it and ways that you like it.
How the restaurant is looking like the decoration. It's a Buddhist place, so they don't cook foods here with garlic, scallions, onions, and what else? Yeah, that's basically it, and I really enjoy the taste of the food. It's so delicious. I'm gonna start with this dish, which is basically some okra, and it's quite delicious with some mushrooms and papas. Cheers to a good life. It's homemade yogurt, and it's coconut flavor. It's completely vegan. There is no milk involved in here. There is no dairy, so that's great. As well as I'm drinking some chrysanthemum tea. And look how beautiful is this box where they give the napkins. I think it's really something interesting. Sushi just arrived. It's a vegan sushi with a vegan sauce, vegan mayonnaise. Everything is super delicious, and yeah, I'm about to dig in this.
It's quite tasty. Another dish arrived just now. I'm gonna show you, and this is my first time trying this one over here, so yeah.
Quite delicious. Over here are bamboo, and this is like cashews, as well as some other mushrooms, and this is water chestnut, I'm thinking.
My soup arrived, and it's a beautiful show over here. I wanted to show you guys how it's looking over. That's the soup. Like, just this over here is a little soup. The other thing is just like a decoration. And this dish, which has cashews on it, it's very delicious. This one over here, it's so delicious.
So this is how the soup is looking like. So you can see the spoon is super beautiful. And this soup is called for the concubine, for the women. So it has some special Chinese ingredients for us women to have, strong body. Okay, this is special for the collagen of the skin. So a lot of Chinese girls love this one. And this one is or to take out the humidity of the body. And there are some other ingredients as well.
Yeah. So I really like this soup, and and there was a time where I was like drinking this soup almost on an everyday basis, and I really noticed that my skin was, brighter and glowing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, as well to leave me your lovely comments below, because I'm gonna be very excited to give you a heart and a reply very soon. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you wish, become Patreon.